So if you want to get a video editing client this week which pays you $3,000 per month, then this video is the right one for you. If you have an attention span of a goldfish, then this is not the right video for you, because I'm just literally sitting here in my home country in Germany. Normally I'm making videos in Dubai because I live there, but this is a pure information video, so when you cannot stick to it, then please leave. But if you want to make $3,000 per month as a video editor in the next week, then this is the right video for you. So in this video, I'm literally explaining how I would approach to make $3,000 per month if I had to start over again. The thing is, you should already have experience with video editing and maybe already have some case studies, because the only way to get a client which pays you $3,000 per month, you need to go towards the following journey. Have attention, meaning you need to do outreach, or the client comes to you. You need to get them onto a sales call. On the sales call, you need to convert the client, and then you need to hold the client with the right offer, with the right fulfillment. And the better you do it, the longer the client sticks to you, and the more money you make, the more money you make your clients. So you need to actually also offer the right thing in the sales call for the fulfillment to make that much money. So I have multiple clients which pay me between $3,000 and $4,000 per month just with this offer. So I'm going to explain you how you can do the same as a video editor, because we don't want to edit more videos to make more money, because your time is limited. We want to create results which gets our clients more money, so we can get paid from our clients more money. So the first step is you need to find somehow some case studies which you already built in the past. When you're not approached the whole video editing game with, hey, I'm going to lend you more clients, when you just said, hey, I'm going to edit more videos for you and do the whole YouTube for you, that's completely fine. But then focus on how much views you got for your clients, how much clients did you achieve for your clients, and take this as a case study, put that into an Instagram DM and do outreach. Step 1, very easy. Step 2 is convert those cold DMs into a call. So get them onto a call, get them on a Zoom call, and then you should have a 2-step closing method. So on the first call, ask the right questions to understand, do they have the budget? Do they have the need? Find the need out with the right questions, such as what would change in your business when you get 2-3 more clients over YouTube, for example. How much more money would they make? And understand the pain point. Do you already do YouTube? You do YouTube, but how much views do you have? How many clients do you get per week, per month? And then you understand the status in which these clients are and understand the pain point. And then on the next call, you get them into, this is the closing call, then you show them what you did already in the past, how much clients you got for your clients in the past. So initially you should also talk to some of your clients. Maybe they can record a video for you. For example, your name is John, and they say something like, hey, this video is for John. I had an amazing experience with him. He crafted videos for us for our YouTube channel, and this YouTube channel got us over the last 6 months, I don't know, $30,000, because we sell homes in Germany and we just sold this one, for example. And then you close your client. But for what do you close your client? We offer, or like what I did over the past months, was YouTube agency. So we build YouTube channels and we get our clients more clients over YouTube with the right views, in the right niche, with the right funnel. So I also built it Creator Scale, which is a community where I exactly teach video editors like you how to get to this point. If you want to find more out, we have a free video exactly explaining how to get to $10,000 per month. And this is what I would offer to get a $3,000 per month client. Because when he can see, oh, for example, your name is John, you can get me 5 to 10 more prospects per month, and I can close 1 or 2 of those, and I make, for example, $10,000 to $20,000 from these clients in the next 6 months, 3 months, I don't know. This is a very good investment when I pay you, your name is John, $3,000. That's amazing. Yeah, let's do it. So when you build this in the sales call and you offer the right thing, this will be an amazing offer for your client. And then the next step is you should have an amazing fulfillment. So you should have an amazing process, understanding which videos they should shoot. You should have a very good process, a communication tool. We are using Notion, and all of our students also use obviously Notion, because we have an amazing format where it's the calendar and the client understands exactly what videos to shoot. They shoot the video over. Then we are, as an agency, or also our coaches, they edit the videos and they post it onto YouTube. So your fulfillment should be an amazing experience. Obviously also you build the landing pages and so on and so forth. Again, when you don't know how to do this, we exactly teach this in Creator Scale. And then, yeah, these clients stick for long because you are the money-making machine for your client and you bring them more clients. So if this was helpful, then for sure we will see each other in another video. Bye-bye.